Winter doesn't mean hiding under piles of fabric. It's about mastering the art of refined layering. In this video, we're breaking down the 15 winter layering rules. Men over 50 often break hand. More importantly, how to fix them. You'll discover how to stay warm without losing your shape, how to mix textures for depth, and how to layer like the sophisticated man you are. If you want to look confident, modern, and effortlessly stylish this winter, you're in the right place. Let's upgrade your layering game starting right now. One, ignoring layer proportions. Many men over 50 layer without considering proportion, throwing on bulky sweaters under oversized coats. The result? A boxy silhouette that hides your frame and adds unnecessary years. The Ralph Lauren approach favors balance. A fitted merino wool turtleneck under a structured overcoat creates shape and confidence. The key is layering with intention: slim base, mid-weight knit, tailored top layer. You'll stay warm without losing refinement. Remember, good layering flatters your body. It doesn't fight it. Two, wearing too many thick layers. Overstuffing your outfit is the fastest way to look outdated. Men often mistake bulk for warmth, piling thick knits and puffy jackets together. But real sophistication comes from lightweight layering. A fine cashmere crew neck under a suede jacket keeps you warm and mobile, while a tailored scarf adds depth without heaviness. Modern fabrics insulate efficiently, allowing you to look sleek, not swollen. The fix is easy. Use quality over quantity. Every layer should serve a purpose. Three, clashing textures. Texture mixing is an art that too many men ignore. A glossy leather coat with a shiny wool sweater looks harsh and confused. Instead, layer matte and soft finishes. Think flannel, wool, and brushed cotton. They absorb light, giving you a polished, understated elegance. Pairing textures creates visual harmony and tactile depth. The trick is contrast, not competition. Master that, and your look transforms from old-fashioned to seasoned and stylish. Four, ignoring color temperature. Too many men wear harsh blacks and cold grays in winter, which wash out mature skin tones. Warm neutral camel, chocolate deep olivade richness and sophistication. A camel coat with a rust turtleneck instantly brightens your complexion while keeping you grounded in masculine tones. This isn't about color pop, it's about creating warmth through tone harmony. Elegant layering begins with color balance that complements your natural depth. 5. Overlooking mid-layers. Mid-layers are the secret weapon of refined winter style. Too many men skip them, going straight from shirt to coat, missing the chance for dimension. A light quilted vest or wool gilet between your shirt and coat, it creates contrast and texture without bulk. It's also a subtle nod to heritage style, functional, masculine, and timeless. When done right, it turns a simple outfit into something effortlessly elegant. Six. Wearing puffer jackets. Everywhere, one of the biggest mistakes men over 50 make in winter is relying too much on bulky puffer jackets. Sure, they're warm, but they often sacrifice sophistication. The Ralph Lauren-inspired solution? Choose a hybrid jacket, something structured, like a wool blend field jacket with light insulation for warmth without bulk. Pair it with a fine-gauge turtleneck and tailored trousers to maintain sharp lines. This look blends function and refinement. Perfect for a crisp day. With a light snowfall proof, you can be practical without losing style, credibility. Seven. Neglecting scarf coordination. Scarves often become an afterthought, but in refined winter layering, they're the final brushstroke. Most men throw on random colors or cheap acrylic ones that ruin the ensemble. Instead, select scarves that echo your outfit's tone. A soft cashmere scarf in muted gray or burgundy can add harmony and warmth. Fold it neatly or drape it effortlessly should enhance, not dominate. This subtle accessory transforms ordinary into elegant while keeping you cozy on snow-touched afternoons. Eight. Forgetting the power of layered footwear. Many overlook footwear. Layering, yes, it's a thing. When winter hits, sneakers won't cut it, and heavy boots can overwhelm your outfit. The elegant fix. Dress boots with subtle texture like suede chukas or grain. Leather ankle boots matched with warm wool socks peeking slightly above the cuff. This detail grounds your look literally. It balances casual sophistication and practicality, perfect for those chilly sidewalks after a light snow. Shoes, like layers, should tell a story of comfort and quiet confidence. Nine. Wearing monochrome without depth. Monochrome can look sleek, but without texture variation, it turns dull fast, especially in winter. Too much black or gray with flat fabrics reads lifeless. The secret: mix shades and materials within one color family. A charcoal flannel jacket with lighter gray tweed trousers and a dark knit brings dimension and warmth. It's tone and tone done right. Sophisticated, confident, and timeless. Snow outside or not, you'll look composed and modern. Overcomplicating outerwear. Some men stack too many statement pieces, checked coats, bright hats, patterned scarves, creating visual chaos. The fix is restraint. Let one item speak. A classic navy pea coat paired with a neutral turtleneck and textured trousers creates impact through simplicity. The elegance lies in balance, not excess. When layering for snow-touched winter days, focus on fit and tone harmony. Effortless refinement always outshines loud confusion. The overstuffed scarf trap. A scarf should complement your outfit, not swallow your neck. Many men over 50 wrap huge, chunky scarves that hide the shirt collar and make the upper body look bulky. Instead, choose a medium-weight wool or cashmere scarf, drape it naturally, and let the ends fall casually. This creates movement and elegance. Keep colors muted gray, camel, or neviso. The focus stays on layering harmony, not just the scarf itself. Think of it as a finishing accent, not the centerpiece. When paired properly with a tailored coat, it enhances your winter sophistication effortlessly. Too many bulky layers. Layering should add depth, not weight. Some men stack thick sweaters, puffers, and coats, resulting in a heavy, shapeless silhouette. Instead, aim for light, yet insulating, layers of merino wool turtleneck, a quilted vest, and a slim overcoat. This builds warmth without sacrificing structure. Each layer should serve a purpose: insulation, texture, or contrast. Keep proportions neat and avoid over-padded materials. Refined layering makes you appear sharp, deliberate, and effortlessly adjust. Ignoring texture contrast. Winter style thrives on texture contrast. Many men over 50 wear only smooth fabrics, wool, cotton, leather, and miss the depth that texture adds. Mix it up. Try a corduroy overshirt, a soft cashmere sweater, and a tweed blazer. Each fabric interacts with light differently, creating richness and personality. The goal isn't to shout fashion, but to whisper refinement. This subtle mix signals sophistication that comes with age and taste. 14. The color clash issue. Many men layer winter outfits using colors that compete instead of complementing. Bright reds, heavy blacks, and neon blues might have worked at 30, but at 50, balance is key. Choose muted tonal palettes that flow together: sand, navy, charcoal, and soft olive. This creates visual unity that feels elevated. Winter fashion isn't about color contrast, it's about color harmony. Keep accessories in sync: 2 brown gloves and scarves, not jet black. Forgetting the statement accessory. Accessories elevate layering from basic to brilliant, yet many men ignore them. No watch, no bracelet, no texture play. The right accessory adds identity without shouting. A wool fedora, leather strap watch, or knit gloves tells a story of refinement. Accessories are small touches that signal big taste, especially in minimal winter looks. Choose 1 or 2. Keep it understated but deliberate. They show that even in the cold, your sense of detail never freezes. If you found these winter layering insights helpful, make sure to hit subscribe and join the Man's Style Decreeve, the channel made for men who refuse to fade into the background. We release weekly videos on timeless style, fit, and confidence for men over 40 and 50. Drop a comment below with your favorite layering combo, and I might feature it in the next episode. Until then, stay warm, stay sharp, and keep dressing like the man you were always meant to be.